What's up guys, Faisal here. So the Galaxy S22 is still pretty fresh as far as the best Samsung phones go. So it should not surprise you that we don't know much about the successors Samsung likely to release next year. When it does arrive, the Galaxy S23 will have some big shoes to fill. But we are confident that Samsung will pull it off. Among this year's release, the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus felt a lot more iterative than innovative. The Galaxy S22 Ultra had no such problem, single-handedly bringing the Galaxy Note back to life. But we continue. Please let us know from which country you guys are watching our today video from. We love reading your comments. So rumors about the Galaxy S23 are pretty sparse right now, but we wanted to collect some of what we'd like to see in Samsung next flagship, especially the regular and plus models. So here's what we heard about the Galaxy S23 so far. The release date of the Galaxy S22 launched in February, so we expect a similar timeline for the Galaxy S23. The Galaxy S21 series come out in January 2021, but Samsung had to make room for the Galaxy S21 FE, so it likely pushed back the S22 debut for the Galaxy S23, which probably means an earlier 2023 appearance. Phone release windows are pretty predictable nowadays, and we don't expect Samsung to deviate from this, though the virus, pandemic and chip shortage have created some delayed phone launch in recent memory. Camera apart from famed Samsung leaker Ice Universe to Twitter claimed that the Samsung S23 Ultra will have a shocking 200 megapixel main camera, a holdover rumor from the earlier days of S22 speculation. This camera will supposedly be optimized for several years. We are not sure if that means Samsung plans to continually improve the camera over the years with software updates, or if the Korean phone maker will improve the 200 megapixel sensor following the S23 Ultra launch. Processor, so far we have only heard conflicting rumors about the Galaxy S23 chipset. A couple of weeks ago, a tipster claimed that Samsung would use a MediaTek chip in some Galaxy S23 units. This sparked alarm in some people, even though we have heard that the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 is a surprisingly good chip. We have all debuts given MediaTek shaky history, but after that rumor hit the news, another tipster debunked it. Yogesh Bar has a recent track record, and he said there would be no MediaTek partnership for the Galaxy S23 or Galaxy S22 FE in the future. Obviously, there's not 100 confirmed, but Samsung might still be interested in improving its Exynos brand. We'd welcome this, considering that the Exynos 2200 failed to meet our expectation, lagging behind the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in our Galaxy S22 Plus benchmark test. There is a long time for Samsung to finalize some of Galaxy S23 details, so here what we are hoping to see. Better battery life. The battery life on all three Galaxy S22 models were disappointing. As per our experience among the Galaxy S22 Ultra with its 5000 mAh power pack could not last as long as phones like the OnePlus 10 Pro or iPhone 13 Pro Max. Samsung needs to up its game with battery life, shrinking the power packs from the Galaxy S21 to the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus was not a wise decision, and obviously hurt both phone and testing. Snapdragon or Exynos, look, we are all for breaking Qualcomm near monopoly on Android phone in some parts of the world. The strongest performance out of all the best Android phones use Snapdragon chips, while Apple Silicon is still miles ahead in some ways. Samsung Exynos processors are inferior to Qualcomm and many others. We all had high hopes for the flagship Exynos 2200 and its AMD power graphics, but the chip ultimately proved lackluster at best. Samsung either needs to figure out why Exynos chips lag behind Snapdragon, or it needs to give up and use Snapdragon anywhere. Continuous zoom. One problem with telephoto lenses on smartphone is that you either use the full optical zoom or get stuck with digital that fills in the gaps. Rumors surrounding the Galaxy S22 Ultra suggested that Samsung was going to introduce it. Continuous zoom where the phone could go from 1x to 10x and all of the support between smoothly. We want to see Samsung introduce this on all three Galaxy S23 models. So guys, this is the end of our today's video. I hope you guys like it. If you really did, then smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.